In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Replit app to a team's workspace. If you collaborate with others or want to centralize ownership under your organization, moving an app from your whole personal space to a team workspace is the right way to go. This keeps permissions, billing, and access consistent for your whole team. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you know exactly what to expect. Start by heading to your apps page in Replit. This is where all your projects live in one place, and find the app you want to move. To the right of that app, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More. Click that to open the action menu for the app. From the menu, select Transfer to Organization. This is the option that moves ownership from your personal workspace into a team workspace. When you click it, a dialog will appear asking you to choose where the app should go. In the dialog, pick the correct team workspace. If you're part of multiple teams, take a moment to choose the one that actually needs the app so you don't have to move it again later. If you don't see the team you expect, it usually means you're not a member of that workspace or you don't have permission to transfer apps into it. In that case, you may need to ask a team admin to adjust your role or initiate the transfer for you. Once you've chosen the right team workspace, confirm the action. Replit will process the transfer and show you a transfer success notification. That message is your confirmation that the move is complete. After this, the app will no longer appear in your personal workspace, so don't be surprised if it seems to disappear from your personal list. To find it again, switch to the team workspace you selected. You'll see the app listed there with the rest of your team's projects. The content of your app stays intact during the move, and your team can now collaborate in the shared space with the correct ownership in place. As a quick recap, open your apps page, use the three-dot menu next to the app, choose Transfer to Organization, select the right team workspace in the dialog, and look for the transfer success notification. From that point on, manage the app from your team's workspace. That's all you need to confidently transfer a Replit app to your team's workspace.